the second episode of our series on the role of technology in company growth. In this episode, we are diving into one of the most inspiring success stories in the entertainment industry, the story of NetFlix, and how the company used technology to transform from a small DVD rental service to a global streaming giant. Netflix journey started in 1997 with a small DVD rental service where people could order movies online and then have them delivered to their homes. But Netflix had a bigger dream to change the way people watch movies and TV shows. They wanted to make it easier for everyone to enjoy their favorite content anytime without leaving home. After 10 years, in 2007, Netflix made a big change by launching its streaming service. So instead of waiting for DVD to arrive, people could now watch movies and TV shows instantly online. This was a huge step forward, and thanks to faster internet speed, which make it easier for people to enjoy content anytime, anywhere. One of the main ways Netflix harnessed the technology was by tapping into the power of big data. The company collects an enormous amount of data on user behavior, like what you watch, when you watch, what you skip. So by analyzing this big data, Netflix is able to give you a personalized recommendation for movies and shows you might like. Another reason for Netflix success is its use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to create contents. By analyzing a lot of data, Netflix can predict which type of content are most likely to attract and retain users. This technology has led to the creation of Netflix originals. Hit shows like Stranger Things, The Crown, and Money Heist, which keep subscribers coming back for more. By analyzing viewing pattern, Netflix does not just buy content, it creates shows and movies that viewers actually want to watch. To reach over 190 countries, Netflix uses cloud computing with services like AWS. Netflix can stream movies and TV shows to millions of users on various devices smoothly and without any issue. Cloud computing allows Netflix to scale its service effortlessly, ensuring that content is always available and accessible everywhere. No matter where you are, whether you are watching on your phone, on your TV, on laptop, or whether you are on commute, on vacation, or in the comfort of your home. Netflix can deliver content instantly with minimum buffering and ensuring user could stream on smaller screens without compromising on quality. Netflix uses advanced content delivery technology such as adaptive bitrate streaming to ensure smooth and high quality video playback regardless of the internet speed. If your connection drops, Netflix adjusts the video quality to prevent buffering and keeping your viewing experience uninterrupted. Today Netflix is available in more than 190 countries and has over 230 million subscribers. It is just not a streaming service, it is a worldwide trend, changing the way people watch TV and movies. Thanks for watching. Netflix has truly transformed how we enjoy entertainment, and all thanks to its smart use of technology. Stay tuned, stay connected for more such stories. Thank you.